How can I detect one word with speech recognition in Python? I know how to detect speech with Python, but this question is more specific. How can I make Python listening for only one word and then returns true if Python could recognize the word? I know, I could just let Python listen all the time and then make something like that. Pseudocode. I have already made that, and the program is hanging up after some minutes of always listening, see at the end. So I need a way to only listen for one specific word. What does hang up mean? The program is not crashing but not responding. It isn't listening to my voice anymore, and when I press strg+C it does nothing. I am searching for something like this. Hope you understood, best regards.
For more details, see this URL.